So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our channel. This is Shreya, and again I'm with my co-partner Rahul Maurya.
Co-partner Rahul Moria.
Really, you are my co-partner or I?
We are partners.
Okay, we are partners. So guys, today we are wearing little bit same clothes, blue and blue.
I have problem with the colors. I don't understand the exact colors.
He always say that to red he say pink, to pink he said red.
No, red or pink I know very well. But some unique colors like violet,
Wine,
wine, yeah, maroon,
lavender.
yeah. So I confuse little bit. Don't you?
Sometimes.
I think girls are not like this. They know all the colors. See, Avika, she knew all the colors. Yeah.
Because we have learned and we have used also. So
Mm.
guys, today I have washed my hair
Yeah,
and
it's
now
looking very good
I will apply oil again.
today.
Yes, because okay guys, I'm telling you the hair care routine which you should follow. Why are you making a face like this?
No, no, no,
No guys,
no,
no, I will not tell
no,
you.
no. You should, you should.
So guys, I'm telling you many of the girls think that we should means oil our hair for long time for 1 week and once in a week we should wash our hair, but no, it's not a good. You should wash 2 or 3 times in a week. Suppose today on Monday I have applied oil, on Tuesday reapply, okay, then on Wednesday I have washed my hair, then again I will apply oil,
Hmm.
then on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe I will do oiling again and again. Then on Saturday or maybe Sunday, I will wash my hair again.
Okay.
We should do this because if we will not wash our hair and if we will remain it, let it be like oily hair, so our scalp will get, what we can say, sticky, and then so many dust bacteria comes into our scalp, and they that are the reason for hair fall.
Okay.
So we should not wash our hair so quickly and not so far.
So when should we?
I have told you, you were not listening. Guys, he was not listening. See,
No, I was listening.
no, leave it. Why are you
Not two
asking?
or 3 day. In a means you were saying that 2 or 3 times.
Yes.
Did I not listen?
Listen, so why are you asking again and again
I have
that?
forgotten. Just sleep from my mind.
So, guys, in my
Did
channel,
you adjust it properly?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Now you have. Wait.
What happened?
Now you are saying that you have not adjusted the adapter.
Adapter. Okay.
Adapter.
So how was your day today?
I
What
have.
was it special?
Today was Shivratri.
Hmm. Did you go in the temple?
I was not in that condition.
Okay.
Yes.
And something new happened today?
Yes, Advik was disturbing me a lot today. He was helping me.
What do you have?
I have made one box, small box, and I have pasted on the wall. And he was saying that, Chachi, your room is looking acha. He
Hmm.
was saying your room is looking good. Then I said to my Advik that should I paste big one box? He was saying no, it will fall down. Means he's so small, but he is using his
His
mind.
mind.
Yes. And when I was adjusting table fan in the kitchen, he was saying, he was doing, I don't know what he was doing with the switch buttons.
Hmm.
I said that, are you an engineer? So he got anger,
Okay, he got angry.
and he went away from there. I don't know. I just only said that. Why are you becoming engineer?
I think he
Exact
knows the
every.
emotion,
Hmm.
the shoutness.
Hmm.
the what's called that
Every word,
tone.
yes, every
Yeah.
word also.
If you
Now,
will say in a polite manner, if you are saying bad word also,
yes, yes,
so he
Rahul.
will not become angry.
Yes, Rahul. You know, means from 2 3 days, I know what happens to him or what I don't know what I'm doing. He's loving me a lot.
Hmm.
Today also he came and I was doing this. I was making the box. He was saying
What makes you say this, that he is starting loving you so much?
because when he loves me, he came to me. He said, that, "Chachi,
Hmm.
I love you."
Hmm.
He used to say many times. Then he give kisses. Then he shows me something like suppose he have balloon. He was saying that Chachi balloon. When my mother-in-law means her grandmother used to say that what happened Adi. He said that he was saying to mother-in-law means now he is getting anger from her grandmother and he is loving me. He has
Okay.
shown me. And my mother was saying, what happened? Advik, show me. He said, no. He went away. So, mom was saying, but now what I am doing? Not, I have not done anything. And he is loving me a lot. He hugs me. He came to me. He sleep with me. He said, Chachi, room acha, Chachi. Everything he used to say.
There are only two words
Hmm.
or three words.
And today he was saying, means he has seen one photo frame of our photo frame. So he was saying that, Chachi, Chachi, gumi, nani.
Hmm.
Chachi, Chachi, gumi, Chachu, Chachi, 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 gumi, nani. He was saying it again and again. I think 50 times he has said,
Hmm.
Chachi, Chachi. Means he was saying, Chachi, Chachu, Chachi, gumi. Means he was saying Chachi to me. Then he was saying that, Chachi, Chachu, gumi.
Hmm.
मैं नहीं. चाची साड़ी. He was saying, Chachi साड़ी. Chachi cap. Chachi
He
gummi.
knows what is sari.
Yes, he know what is sari. So he was saying Chachi साड़ी. I was saying, Adi, how I am looking? अच्छी. Chachi cap नहीं, cap नहीं. He was saying the cap matching. So he was saying cap नहीं. All the things he noticed now, he is noticing.
Hmm.
So today, today we are talking about Advik, one of the naughty boy in our home.
What quality do you like
In a
about
child,
about
Advik,
Advik
which I like
most?
when he get anger,
Do you like this? Why?
when he get irritation. Suppose if I'm loving, it is okay. But if I'm saying him something and he get anger, so it makes me funny. Like what I should not say.
And what quality don't you like?
Then he don't came near to me.
Okay, so before marriage you were saying I want my husband or my boyfriend just come around me. He will say all the things to me. He just all about me. So Advik is like this. That is why.
Yes, when I came from upstairs from my room after teaching, so he was there. He didn't know about anything, but I don't know how he listened the voice when I was pasting this box. He said, "It Chachi, aa gaye? Chachi, aa gaye?" I said yes. Then he was saying that, "Chachi room acha, Chachi room acha." I said okay. Then he tries very to help me. In every work he try his best. So means today I was saying, means he was helping me to turn on the fan. But I said that why are you pretending like engineer? Are you engineer? He got anger. He went away. I said, I am thinking where he went. He said not he should not he said nothing to me and he went away from that area, that place. Then I came here on the sofa. He was sitting. And I said that Advik, what happened? He gave me a one punch on my back.
Yeah.
In front
He
of
also gave me.
So in front of mom, or on my face, like this. As I said, what happened, Advik? He was like, "Nahi." Yes. So guys, today we have completed 9:59
No,
minutes.
it's 10 minutes.
10
We have
minutes.
completed.
Yes, guys. So today is all about Advik
Have you
and
written? Manifest.
affirmations.
Hmm.
No.
Okay, we will. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye bye,
Thank you.
guys. Love you. Keep supporting.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
It's close. I mean.
Oh, bye.